Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Gattu Chinky's lemonade stand. It was lunch break. Gattu, Chinky, Bunty and Goody were sitting in their classroom and having lunch together.
Chinky, today is very hot, isn't it? I am going to drink chill juice as soon as I go home.
Yes, Kattu. The same juice that Papa bought yesterday, right? It was very yummy. Then I think Bunty and I will also join you, Kattu Chinky. We also want to taste that tasty juice.
Everyone started laughing. That is when Gattu and Chinky's class teacher entered the class. All the kids stood up to greet her.
Sit down, student. I want to share something very interesting with you all.
What is it, ma'am?
Students, our school is organizing a fair this year, and all of you have to make a pair and set up a stall. What? Stalls? I don't understand, ma'am. That means all of you have to form a pair with someone else and set up a stall where you would sell some homemade things, and there will be a senior student to guide you in this, and the money you will earn from these stalls will be donated. And that's not it. The stall visited by most of the people will be a winner and receive the prize.
Ma'am left the classroom after the announcement. Then Gattu, Chinky, Bunty and Goody decided that they would meet in the park in the evening to decide who would do what. Then they gathered in the park as decided.
So, what you guys have thought? What are you going to sell on the stall? Hari and I are on one team. We are going to make some beautiful paintings that people can hang in their home to decorate it. I am sure most number of people are going to buy our paintings. You will see it. Bunty and I have decided to make cute and pretty pen stands. I have even watched some DIY videos on the internet. It's going to be fun.
Chinky became a little sad hearing this and said to Gattu,
Kattu, they have some amazing ideas and we have not decided anything till now. I don't want to lose the competition.
You don't worry, Chinky. We will also find a good idea, I'm sure.
That is when Chinky got thirsty and she ran home to drink water. Mummy was working in the kitchen.
Mummy, where have you kept the juice that Papa bought? I am very thirsty.
Oh, Chinky, there is no juice left. We had some guests in the afternoon, but you can do one thing. There are some lemons in the fridge. You can use them to make lemonade.
Lemonade? Alright, Mummy, this is a fantastic idea. I will prepare it for Gattu, Goody and all the other friends.
Chinky took some lemons and extracted their juice. Then she added some sugar syrup along with water to it and made lemonade.
Wow, Mummy, this is very tasty. It is chilled and very refreshing.
That is when Gattu along with their friends came over there.
Come on, guys, have this lemonade. I have just prepared for you all.
They all drank the lemonade and they all loved it.
Wow, Chinky, this is very tasty. I feel very energetic after drinking this.
Thank you, Kattu.
Then Chinky started thinking and she got an idea.
Idea! Kattu, how about setting up a lemonade stand?
Yes, Kattu Chinky, people will definitely love your lemonade. When everyone gets tired after visiting all the other kids' stalls, they will come to your stall to drink lemonade.
Gattu and Chinky liked this idea very much, so they decided to set up a lemonade stall at the school fair. Finally, the day of the fair arrived. Gattu and Chinky's lemonade stall was all set. Meera Didi was guiding both of them, who was senior to them.
So, Gattu Chinky, everything is ready?
Yes, Didi. We have prepared tasty and cool lemonade. And we have also arranged these disposable glasses. And here is the dustbin, Didi. I will make sure that everyone throw their dirty glasses and other garbage in the bin only.
Alright then, the school fair will start very soon and people will start coming. Till then, if you want, you can go and check your friends' stalls. I will handle this stall till then.
Gattu and Chinky loved this idea. They went to visit Pinky, Hari, Goody and Bunty's stall.
Wow, Pinky, your paintings are really very beautiful. Make sure to save a painting for me. I will come to buy one in the end for sure.
And Goody Bunty, I like this yellow colored pen stand very much. I am going to buy this one, huh? So save this one for me. Don't sell it to anyone.
Thank you, Gattu. I will definitely keep this one aside. Your lemonade stall is looking very pretty. I'm sure many people will visit it.
Then Gattu and Chinky's class teacher came over there.
Gattu, Chinky, what you guys are doing here? Come on, go to your stalls quickly. It is time. People will start coming soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Gattu and Chinky went to their stall, where Meera Didi was waiting for them. Very soon, people started arriving at the school fair. People were visiting different stalls and checking the things kept for sale. Many people were visiting Gattu and Chinky's lemonade stall too. Gattu and Chinky were giving them lemonade in disposable glasses. Meera Didi was taking money from these people and keeping it in a box.
Wow, Gattu. It seems people love our lemonade. I think we will be able to sell everything very soon.
Yes, Chinky, but don't waste your time in talking. We have lot of people waiting in line and we have to give them lemonade. Hurry up.
Okay, Gattu. All right.
Gattu and Chinky were working very hard. After some time, they were able to sell all of the lemonade. Gattu and Chinky were very tired and sat on the chairs. That is when their class teacher visited their stall.
Gattu, Chinky, I must say that I really liked your stall. Well, can you give me a glass of chilled lemonade? Thank you, ma'am, but all the lemonade has been sold out.
No, Gattu. Actually, I saved a glass of lemonade for ma'am. I kept it aside. Here, please take this, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Chinky. This is really very refreshing. Ma'am, we have earned a lot of money today. Now we will be able to donate more money. Yes, ma'am. We have collected more money than our set target. Yes, kids. You guys have done a wonderful job. The largest number of people visited your stall at the school fair. Very good.
In the end, Gattu and Chinky donated all the money they had earned from a lemonade stall, and it made them very happy.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.